Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up humidity alerts with SmartThings and sensors, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Log in with your Samsung account if you haven't already done so. Ensure that your humidity sensors are properly set up and connected to the SmartThings app. Navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate and select your humidity sensor from the list of connected devices. Once selected, tap on Notifications or Alerts. Look for the option that allows you to set a new alert or notification. Choose Add Alert or Create Notification to start the setup process. Select Humidity Level as the condition for your alert. Define the threshold for the humidity level that will trigger the notification. For example, you might set the alert for when humidity rises above 60% or drops below 30%. After setting the threshold, choose how you'd like to be notified. Options may include push notifications, email alerts, or text messages. Customize the alert message that you want to receive. For instance, you could write, "Humidity level has exceeded your set threshold." Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Save or Done to activate the humidity alert. You may also want to set up additional alerts for different humidity levels, repeating the steps as needed. Finally, test the alerts by temporarily adjusting the humidity in your environment if possible. Make sure your device is within an appropriate range to receive notifications. Your humidity alerts are now set up and ready to help you monitor your environment effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.